Hi, hello, and today going to be doing an unboxing of some new model buses I've been buying. Let's get into it. I'm just trying to get the setup here to be reasonable. I think that should be showing okay. It's not easy. I'm trying to get more of the photo sheen, but let me just. This might work. That might work okay. Maybe that might work as well. So, yeah. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new item I've been getting in my collection. Parcel I've had delivered. I don't know how well that is picking up on there, if you can see it. Hopefully this will work. So yeah, just going to unbox this. Let's get this open. I'm like a kid at Christmas. Obviously always exciting times. And this is a rare model. It's you know, it's highly in demand, so I'm looking forward to opening this one up. I hope I'm not going to cut into it and cause any damage. That's not what I want. It's been well parceled up and wrapped. I don't know if I can use, look, see that alright? Yeah, it's looking okay on my end. So I'm just going to work it. This has got loads of tape on here. This is a little bit too much for my liking, but does give a lot of protection. You know, shows that who I've bought from, they do care about when they send stuff out to customers, which is always a good thing. You usually find it's like the private buyers who will probably focus a bit more on the protection, on how well they do things, but for a company to do it, it's a nice bonus with how difficult times are, because it costs more money for more bubble wrap and tape and everything. So yeah, go for now and get this protected. There's a lot of tape and that on here. I think I've nearly got me up. Oh, that'll have to be sorted for the bin. So this is what we've got at the moment. I've got more than one here of the same one, but yeah, let's open these bad boys up and have a look at what we're dealing with. So all I'm going to say is this is a model which sold out online pretty quick, and I was lucky to get them, to be honest. They're not the easiest to get a hold of, and they sell out really quickly as well. So the bubble wrap, I always recycle. So we've got the box here. Now I'm going to open this up. So we've had other wrap on this. It's been well packed. I think the company that I ordered from had a lot of these to send out to different customers at the same time, because I had an email saying that might be a bit of a delay in getting it delivered because there was a lot of orders going out. So yeah, it could have been all this particular one being a lot of the orders. Maybe. I don't know what's that cashing up here on the camera as I'm opening this up. So I'm not going to get them all out. I'm just going to open up one. Oh, I think I'll be leaving these ones in the box. But I don't know what's that cashing up and picking up on the camera. So if I move this now to show you, so I've got 3 of the same ones here that I'll be keeping in my collection, and yeah, just gonna open them up. I'm not gonna open them, I'm just gonna take one out the bubble wrap and have a look, you know. So here we have it, and these are the Manchester B network, and this model is limited edition, it's rare, and they're selling for crazy prices on eBay. Now this, I was in mind, yeah, I wanted it, I saw it, and I was like, I definitely want to buy one and get one. I was like, I'll order 3 of them because I want them for my collection. I'm not going to open it, so you're not going to see me taking this out of the box and letting you see right up close to it, but I'll zoom in to see what I can pick up. So obviously this looks to be very nice. What I can see, zooming in on the camera, is that there looks to be, I don't know, is it me or something the matter with the paintwork on this model. Now, if it is, I'm not really going to complain. It could be part of it, but I doubt it. So you've got the B network, but this is the reason when I collect stuff that's going to be something to me, going to be worth keeping and collecting the collection. This is the reason I always buy at least 2 or sometimes a third one, like this in this case, because you're always guaranteed to get the odd one every so often. That's not 100%. To most people, if it's in the box, it's worth having, even if it has got a little bit of issue like that. You're never going to get model buses perfect all the time, but I could open this up out of the box and see if it would rub off, but I could cause more harm or damage getting it out of the box to do that. So I'm just going to leave it. Obviously, for some people, I know myself in the past, I've returned things because of stuff like that. And some of the models I've returned for things like this are now ones that are worth so much money. And I'm like, if I just held on to them, kept them, I would have been better off, even though they're not 100% perfect. Sometimes this could be worth quite a bit in years to come, even with that, because it's kept in the box. So the B network, UKBUS 6538. I don't know if I'll get this in on camera, but there'll be a number thing further this way, further down. One of so many. And I might just, I can see it, but just making it out. But I don't really want to tell this anymore, really. It's not easy to make out. I can't really make it out, but I can see just one of like so many. There it is. Is it one of 1200 or something? Very faded in the middle. Yeah, it's like one of 1200. So there's only 1200 of these that's being produced and made, gone on sale. Usually here on the box, you usually get like a little bit of history about the model of bus that it is, or you usually get that. Yeah, I think it's on the bottom usually. But yeah, I'm very happy. I was expecting Northcord to have changed the design of the cardboard outer case boxes by now, maybe, but I'm happy with the way they are. I'm not complaining. I don't mind the pink. It looks good. So yeah, this is a model that I'll be keeping in my collection for as long as I can hold on to it. I don't see a reason why I should be selling these at all. I do sell some at times, every so often, but yeah, this is definitely something that I want to keep. If you like collecting model die-cast buses, follow me for more, as I'll be updating my Instagram account and YouTube and stuff with things like this. I'm hoping to create my own thing when I find out when new releases are due, so I can keep more people updated with what's going on in the market. There's a lot of new models usually get announced, but they don't always come to the market and they don't always get released. A lot of them do get cancelled, and usually the ones that get cancelled is what people go crazy for the most. So yeah, till next time, bye bye, take care, and hopefully you like the video, so hit that like button and please subscribe. Thank you very much.